and it's the IKEA Teacher Appreciation Event. Good morning, everyone. So today is Friday, August 2nd, 2019. Today is the 56th day of my 72 days of summer, and it's the IKEA Teacher Appreciation Event. And I will be going to that event with someone that you may know. I'm just waiting for her to arrive, and she just got here, so I'll let you know who it is. So I am at the IKEA Teacher Appreciation Event with Miss Guzman. This is her first Teacher Appreciation event at IKEA. We're gonna have a great time.
So excited.
She's so excited. Me too. Are you having fun?
So much fun.
We got appetizers and mango passion fruit sparkly juice. Yes. Love it.
Pressure.
One of you is gonna win. All right, guys. So number 692142.
Moment of truth, people. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? That looks like art.
Which I don't know what it is yet.
I guess we have to open and see. So art. And what else?
Oh, we have a little frame.
Ooh, you have a white one and I have a black one.
Nice.
Sweet. Okay.
And
A cup.
yes,
We got a cup.
and
A towel?
towel.
Some towels.
Interesting. Okay.
I guess they're telling us. And a free bag. That's it. I guess they're telling us that we should clean with this towel. Fun. She's opening it. What's inside? Is it a random piece of art?
It has tape, so it's gonna take a while. I think it's just wrapped
It's
up
a-
paper.
No, keep going.
Okay,
Open,
open.
open. Keep going. It's a piece of art. Yeah, it is. Look. Oh, it's a girl. It's a random piece of art. That's really cool.
It's a little rolled up. That's okay.
Yeah. All right, cool. So let's see what's in mine. Oh my God. So I see what you got. I guess this paper doesn't matter. Come on. Teacher versus paper. Okay, so it's different.
Okay of that one.
It's different from yours. This looks kind of monochromatic.
Well, it's also a girl.
It's also a
It's
girl.
also a girl. Based on her profile.
It's a little girl on her phone.
How cute!
That's cute. Yay! All right, so that was interesting. You did not catch me trying to put the art back into the tube. I put it in the first time and the bottom of the tube came off, so it went on the floor. Then I tried it again, the same thing happened. Then I tried it again and it wouldn't come out. It's like, it was fun. I wish we would have caught those bloopers because definitely the tube and the paper won that time. Teacher 0, paper in the tube 1. All right, let's go. We just finished eating and now we're gonna start walking around the showroom of IKEA looking at all the things, and I'm gonna take pictures. I know, it's so cool and so cute. We're by the kids section and you all know if you've been here, it's so adorable. I'm gonna start taking pictures of things that I want to put on my wish list when my bank account says that I can't have them. So let's go. And for those of you wondering if IKEA still carries the Wheel of Fortune, yes they do. $24.99. Here's the mini globe that is chalk that you can write on. It's only $19.99. And this is how it looks like. How cute. You like the hand, huh? It looks pretty cool. That's beautiful. And then you can draw it. Y'all, for a second, I thought Miss Guzman was being reflected, that this was a mirror and that she was over here. No, my sense of perception was tricked. This is like a little patio setup. How adorable. Wow, I love that bench. How adorable. It feels like you're actually outside.
I'm a fan of those lights.
Yes.
They're so pretty.
We love these. Super cute. Welcome to my dream kitchen. My gray and white kitchen. Look how beautiful it is. Yes, one day I will have something like this for sure. Yeah. Whoa, this spinning that crazy. Miss Guzman went a little crazy in the globe. Let's do that again.
Why does that happen when you start recording? Because when you were recording, I spun it at least twice and it didn't do that. Let's try that again.
Because we need it for the bloopers. Okay, go.
Okay.
Nice. Very nice.
Like,
We love the globe, people. I keep seeing it. I'm like, I want it. I want it. Okay, now we're gonna do a boomerang. Aureli found her dream chair. She's living her best life. Yes.
I love it.
Yes.
It is pink.
It's pink, which is her favorite color. So she's gonna
In 1
save.
month.
In 1 month, she's gonna get it for her room because it's adorable. I love, love, love this armchair. It is $79.99, but online I saw that they had the dark green one for $59, so that's great. And these storage systems are so adorable.
So nice.
How cute!
I like it. A for Aureli.
These are bookends, A through Z, and they're $19.99. Cute! Here's the dark green one for $59. Nice. I'm between this couch or this one, which I cannot sit on because they have it up there. But, not sure about this one. Yeah, it's a little cheaper. But this one looks so nice. I like this one. I don't know if it turns on. Oh, yes. Ooh. What? I need this in my life.
I like it.
I need this in my life. I need to find out how much it is. Oh my God. We really had a moment. We were so like geeking out over this pencil because I mean I showed you how it looks, but watch. Okay, so you turn it on, it turns on, but then it starts switching colors. Okay, just like that, just blinking from color to color. But if you press it again, it stays on whatever color you want it to stay on. But if you press it again, it fades from one color to another. This pencil needs to be in my life, and Aureli wants it too, but we cannot find it anywhere here. So we're gonna keep looking. If not, there's always another IKEA that I can go to where I can try to get this pencil because it is
So nice.
so nice. It's life.
We had a moment.
We really did.
You're like freaking out about this.
Yes, yes. When we discovered that it was like fading, we were like, oh my God.
I had to like literally stop myself. I'm like freaking out. But we're good now. We're good.
Totally
We're good.
freaked out about this, but we love the pencil. We need the
Super
pencil.
cute. It's super
Super cute. These are always a favorite, and so many possibilities of things that you can do with them. They're double-sided picture frames. You can have directions on one side and the station title on the other, or just for your groups, or for group awards, or for student shout-outs. The possibilities are endless, and they're only $1. And be my Vanna. So nice, the apple. These are always a favorite at IKEA. These are meant to be candle holders, but I've used them for pens, art supplies, etc. And they are $1.99 each. And I just noticed that they have this one. This one, of course, is a little lower, so I don't think you can keep that many things in here that are tall like pens. But these are cute as well, and these are 99 cents. These are $9.99. How cute. They were originally $29.99, and they're currently on sale for $9.99. This price is unbelievable. $3.99, and Miss Guzman is getting two. All right, so stop. Forget about what I said about those other sofas that I thought I wanted. I just found this at the warehouse. It's a sleeper sofa for $89. It's like a little couch, okay? And it turns into a bed. Yes. I can definitely see this in my classroom. I'm not gonna get it right now, but I am gonna get it today, later on today. And this is gonna be in my room, for sure. We made the couch fit and all the stuff in it. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Guzman. All right, everyone, since we can't speak. All right, everyone, since we last left you, we were still at IKEA. We already checked out. We actually ended up coming to the school before they closed to bring the sofa into my room, which I'll show you in a minute. Right now, I'm in Miss Guzman's room. And
Yay! I have a room.
She does. And it's beautiful so far. And she's not even like done setting up. She's doing things little by little. But this is what all the goodies that she was able to gather around in the summer. She's doing a whole Mario Brothers theme. So we'll be looking forward to seeing the finished product. But this is her table of all the goodies she has collected. And she got that Mario brother gifted to her. Oh my God, Mario is so cute. And so many cute things. I mean, you can see Mario brother colors, Mario accents, the dots that go with that, the behavior chart, a whole bunch of stuff. Over here is her behavior management system that she's gonna award different groups coins, and the pink one is hers because she's the princess. And these are Mario Brother coins that she found at Party City, and then she got all the ones they had, but then she needed more, so she bought these extra ones, and the teens will earn coins as they earn behavior rewards. This is her current setup of her classroom library, which is super adorable. She says she's gonna get another one of these rugs to kind of like make it more flush. And yeah, this is her room so far. And we'll see the progress of it. Super adorable. I'll show you mine in a few. But yes, I found my couch. I also got 2 topiaries, the ones that I showed you that were $9.99 from $29.99. I got 2 of those to also decorate in the classroom. So I'm really looking forward to that. I'm really looking forward to putting it all together and see how the room turns out once I have everything in there. So very excited. Now we're in my room, so this is where I put my sofa for now. So there it is. I have to put it all together. These are the topiaries that I told you we got for $9.99 each. Super cute. And what I'm thinking of is the couch will probably go somewhere in the front of the room. The stage is right in front of the board, so the couch will be somewhere over here. And then I'll see how I'm going to arrange the desk. I'm going to get rid of this file cabinet, so I have to make space for all the stuff that's in here, which is just supplies and things. I'm gonna make space in my closet here, which that's a big project that I need to organize. But once I get rid of this, I have another project to put something up here. Don't know when that's gonna happen, but for now, I do have an idea of what I'm gonna put in this area for later. So this is my room. This is like a before, kinda. I'm not gonna come in to work in my room until next week. I don't know when next week, but I'm supposed to come in Friday, but I may come in Thursday. You think Thursday? I'm trying to see if she'll agree. And she's like, no, yes, no, yes, yes, no. I don't know.
Enjoy the last little bit of vacation.
I know. She's like, don't come in. Just come in on Friday. Enjoy your vacation. She's right. Because I don't have to do bulletin boards. So that's good. So anyway, we're just going to end it right now because there's no more to say. We went to IKEA. We saw, we got the things. We brought them to school. It was a lot of fun.
It was fun. And I'm so happy about my plant.
We got our
love
plants,
it.
a little succulents. I'm taking mine home because I'm not coming until next Friday, so I don't. Oh, those cookies are awesome. Only $1.69, and sometimes they have them on sale for less than $1.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so that's all we have for you today.
It was really nice to spend time with all of you guys.
I had so much fun with her. We need to do an outing, like I told her, once every grading period, like go to IKEA on a weekend. Even if it's not to buy anything, just to have lunch. That's fun.
Oh, the medallion, the
Oh
vegetable
my God,
medallion.
the food was so good. The vegetable medallions are our favorite.
Definitely.
So good.
By far.
So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment down below, let me know what you thought or any questions you may have. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell for notifications so you don't miss any future videos. We hope you have a beautiful, magical day. And don't forget to smile.
Bye.
Hello, dreamers, wishers, and magical thinkers. Thank you so much for making it to the very end of this video and for showing your support. If you'd like to subscribe, you can do so by clicking on my picture down here. You can also check out my latest videos here and here. Don't forget to believe in the magic that's inside you because you are capable of great things. See you next time.